we got a driver hanging out of the vehicles. I don't think he filled out a safety waiver.
I'll talk to ground real quick. Alrighty guys, welcome to Gunship Helicopters. Any last minute questions on the safety briefing before we get started?
No?
Yeah, good.
It's nice and clear.
You guys ready to have some fun?
Yep.
Awesome.
Cabin, weapon secure.
Pulling up.
Roger.
Clear heading up.
Clear left up.
You think I've touched complete command? Alright, upper power is good.
Woo!
I don't see that quad.
Me either. One northbound looks like. Maybe it's Battlefield skies.
Yeah. Alright. You gotta set that bar pretty high. If you shoot good, everybody else will. No pressure.
Range clear, clear load.
Alright, clear. Good time. Put up the platform. Right-handed. Left hand here. Right control, one down, right left. Bring it up. Just below your target. Yeah, that's the target. You see the white bag with the orange? Yeah. Orange is your target. Down. Down.
Yeah, so make sure you're not aiming. Just look over the top of the gun. Yeah, there you go. That looks good. Good job.
A little longer on that trigger.
There you go. Nice.
Little down. There you go. Put right down here. Cease fire.
Good shooting, sir. Kind of a weird sensation, huh?
You do it. You put it here, look right over it. Don't look through the sight. It's no good. See the tires? Yeah. That's your first target. Clear fire. There you go.
Nice.
Chester. That's how it's done.
Great shooting, sir.
You want more ammo? Yeah. You want to buy more ammo? I got one more barrel. No, that
You got 200 rounds, yeah.
Okay. That was 200. Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
No more. Cool.
Weapons clear. Go ahead and bring your foot in. Yeah, the weapon secured.
Roger that.
Not too bad, man.
Good shooting, sir.
Thank you. You want to swing a little south and let me look up?
Clear bars.
Roger that.
Copy.
Nice smooth ride, huh? Yeah.
Looks like they continued northbound and wash.
They're stopped at the intersection.
Yeah.
Alright, when we get in, when we're all the way down and safe, I'll give you a thumbs up. You can put your headsets up, unbuckle, and then I'll help you out. Just don't touch the gun, it's real hot. Now you can make all your friends jealous. Look what I did.
All right, you guys. Thank you so much for coming out and piloting us today. Great shooting.